Example 2. Consider a quadratic equation, x plus 2 whole square minus 9 equals 0, and find its roots. Solution. Given equation is x plus 2 whole square minus 9 equals 0. This implies that x plus 2 whole square equals 9. Here also, the term containing x is completely inside a square. By taking square roots, we have x plus 2 equals root 9. This implies that x plus 2 equals plus 3, and x plus 2 equals minus 3. Therefore x equals 1, x equals minus 5. Finally, the roots of given quadratic equation, that is, x plus 2 whole square minus 9 equals 0, are 1 and minus 5. From the above two situations, the term containing x is completely inside a square. So, by taking the square roots, we found the roots easily. Where completely inside square means, square root value is a perfect square. Let's see the rules for solving quadratic equations by completing square method. We need to follow the below steps when we are using complete square method to solve quadratic equations. Step 1. Make sure that the coefficient of x square term is 1. If it is not, divide each term by coefficient value to create a leading coefficient to 1. Or, take the equation as given. Step 2. Send the constant term to RHS. Step 3. Add the term b by 2a whole square on both sides of the equation to get a perfect square, where b is the coefficient of x term, along with the sign, and a is the coefficient of x square term along with the sign. Step 4. Write the perfect square for the left side, and simplify the right of the equation. Step 5. Take the square root on both sides of the equation, and remember to put the plus or minus both the signs on the right hand side. Step 6. Solve for x. If any equation is in the form of x plus a whole square minus b equals 0, then we can find its roots easily by taking square roots. Let's solve some quadratic equations and bringing them into x plus a whole square minus b equals 0. Example 3. Find the square roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 4x minus 5 equals 0. Solution. Given equation x square plus 4x minus 5 equals 0. Comparing the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, we have a equals 1, b equals 4 and c equals minus 5. Taking constant term to other side, x square plus 4x equals 5. At b by 2a whole square on either sides of the equation, that is, b by 2a whole square equals 4 by 2 into 1 whole square. This is equal to 4 by 2 square. This is equal to 2 square. This is equal to 4. That is, add 4 on both the sides of equation, we get x square plus 4x plus 4 equals 5 plus 4. Consider the LHS of the above equation, and make it as perfect square. That is, LHS equals x square plus 4x plus 4. This is equal to x plus 2 whole square, since x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a plus b whole square. Then, the given equation can be written as x plus 2 whole square equals 9. This implies that x plus 2 equals root 9. This implies that x plus 2 equals plus or minus 3. This implies that x equals 3 minus 2, or x equals minus 3 plus, minus 2. This implies that x equals 1 or x equals minus 5. Therefore, the roots of given equation x square plus 4x minus 5 equals 0, are 1 and minus 5. X square plus 4x minus 5 equals 0, is converted into x plus 2 whole square minus 9 equals 0, by the process of completing square. So, solving of x square plus 4x minus 5 equals 0, is equivalent to solving of x plus 2 whole square minus 9 equals 0. Since x plus 2 whole square minus 9 equals 0, is in the form of x plus a whole square minus b equals 0, using which we can find its roots easily by taking square roots. This method is known as the method of completing the square.